going to show you guys how to set up the TTM Squeeze on Thinkorswim. But first of all, before we get to setting up the TTM Squeeze on Thinkorswim, we have to understand what TTM Squeeze is. And the TTM Squeeze is a compression in the time in the market that the market is basically consolidating between a range before it gets ready to explode. So basically, usually about 95% of the time, the market isn't really doing anything. And when the squeeze happens is when the market is getting ready to move. So we only want to trade when the market is getting ready to move. So that's what the TTM Squeeze is. So on my screen, you can see I have the Squeeze Pro. For you guys I'm going to show you guys the regular squeeze on Thinkorswim. So I'm going to explain on the Squeeze Pro and the regular squeeze. So first of all, if you want to add the TTM Squeeze to your platform, you're going to come here to the Science Lab thing, and you're going to search TTM and then TTM Squeeze, and then you're going to hit okay. So now that we added the TTM Squeeze to the platform, as you can see, we have a red dot squeeze. So a red dot squeeze is a mid compression squeeze. So on Thinkorswim, you're going to see mostly the red dot squeeze, and that's what this indicates. So as you can see, we were in a time in the market that the market was squeezing and it was getting ready to fire. But this squeeze is the reason why I'm in this trade right now, actually. But the reason why this squeeze, if I short, but the market is going to continue up. But we're not going to talk about that. We just talk about how to add the TTM Squeeze. So basically, as we can go over on how things happen in the market, as you can see, there's a TTM Squeeze. Market consolidates between basically the two ATR Keltner Channels. It consolidates and then it fires. So how do we know when the market is going to fire and where the market is going to fire? Usually, when the squeeze happens, the market fires where the moving averages are stacked. Most of the time is where the squeeze fires. So we have an 824, we have an 821, 34, 50 simple moving average, 100, and then a 200. Okay, so that's usually it, basically, for the Thinkorswim, for the TTM Squeeze. But if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button to show some support. Usually I don't make YouTube videos, but like I'm an introvert trying to get out of my shell, so I thought this was a great idea to start making YouTube videos so I can get out of my shell. But hey, if you guys have any more questions for me or any suggestions on the videos I should make sure you leave a comment below. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe, show some love. And yeah.